Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. On Saturday, May 6th, as part of the feast of Saint Domenico Savio, the Salesian Youth Movement of Costa Rica celebrated Salesian Youth Day. The activity was held at the Salesian Center Saint Domenico Savio in Cartago, organized by the Salesian Cooperators of Costa Rica, with the animation of Father John Paul Betancourt SDB and Sister Maria Bonilla FMA. The meeting was attended by SYM youth from the host center, the Don Bosco Center in Paris Zeledon, animators from the Garrelli Festive Oratory of Cedis Don Bosco, and SYM youth from the FMA houses. After the Eucharistic celebration, the various activities kicked off like soccer, volleyball, basketball, Zumba, games and a shared lunch. In the afternoon, there was a space for animation and a time of Eucharistic adoration. The activity ended with a Salesian good night by Father Hector Hernandez, who motivated the young people to follow the example of Saint Domenico Savio. The novices of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB and the novices of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA experienced a sharing meeting at the Sacred Heart Institute of the FMA on the theme, The Leaven of Love. The event was held to build solidarity and communion in the large Salesian family, particularly between the two novitiates, and to deepen and to put into practice the guiding theme following the spirit of Don Bosco and Mother Mazzarello. The meeting was attended by Sister Mary Thuha, FMA Provincial, Sister Mary Ngogyen, Father Peter Nguyen Dongan, SDB, who celebrated the Eucharist, and Father Vicente Pihai, Novice Master, who recalled the wonderful qualities of Mother Mazzarello in his homily. The special course for new missionaries began on the 7th of May at Salesian Central Headquarters in Rome. This is a course organized especially for missionaries sent during the pandemic 2020-21, who therefore did not take the usual orientation course for departing missionaries. Father Reginaldo Cordero, director of the course, is being assisted by all members of the mission sector team. The introductory and cultural course are held in Rome. Then the participants will move to the Salesian holy places in Piedmont for the charismatic corps, and they will also participate in the Feast of Mary Help of Christians in Valdoco on the 24th of May. Finally, the course shall conclude on the 26th of May. Currently, 18 missionaries are participating, although 5 more will arrive within a few days due to the delay in issuing Italian visas. On the 5th of May, a large crowd of faithful gathered from Mexico City to take part in the 2023 pilgrimage of the Salesian family of South Mexico to the Virgin of Tepeyac, a Lady of Guadalupe, patroness of all Spanish-speaking people and of the American continent in particular. The large movement of people included Salesians and members of all Salesian family groups present in southern Mexico, as well as students from SDB and FMA schools, youth, adults, elders and families who live, collaborate and participate in the Salesian charism in all its dimensions in the various Salesian works. The pilgrimage was inspired by the Rector Major Strena 2023 as the East in today's human family, the late dimension of the family of Don Bosco. Through this pilgrimage, the participants deposited at the feet of Our Lady of Guadalupe the intentions of the SDB, MEM and FMA, MME provinces, yearnings for peace in the country and in the world, wishes of good for the youth, vocations of the church, migrants, the poor and sick, care for the common home. The procession was led and accompanied by Father Ignacio Acompo Uribe, MME Provincial, Sister Margarita Chavira, MME Provincial, and members of the respective provincial councils. The pilgrimage was also attended by Novice Master of the Salesian International Novitiate of Cocalco, with the team of formators and the young novices who attended, originally from the 2 provinces of Mexico, Central America, the Antilles, and Vice Province of Haiti. On the 1st of May, the Salesian Philip Maris was ordained a priest by the imposition of hands and the consecratory prayer of Monsieur Karel Herbst, SDB, Auxiliary Bishop Emeritus of Prague. Over 70 Salesians took part in the event, some who had come from Turin, originating from 2 African countries, who studied with Philip Maris at the Theological Studentate of Turin, Croqueta, others from Slovakia, members of the Salesian Cooperators and volunteers of Don Bosco, and numerous faithful from the surroundings of Prague and from all over the country. Before the ordination, the provincial meeting of the Bohemian Salesians took place, who after the celebration celebrated together with the others in the courtyard of the Salesian presence in Prague, Kobylisy. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.